Hello and welcome. Did you know that 5 crores to 6 crores of the entire population of the world every single year goes below the poverty line because of excessive expenditure into medication and hospitalization? Isn't that startling? Now, this is not something that I am telling you. This is what the research has proven. This is also what WHO, the World Health Organization, has mentioned. Every year, there is 1/3 of the population of this entire world that goes below the poverty line just because they can no more afford the hospitalization or the medical expenses. That is the power of Big Pharma. Yes, Big Pharma is expensive. Did you know the top 10 companies of Fortune 500 companies earn more profit than collective profits of all the remaining 490 companies? Now look at this very, very clearly. Let me repeat this and I want each one of you to give it a thought. Top 10 companies across the top 500 Fortune 500 companies, just 10 companies earn more profits than the collative summative profits of all the remaining 490 companies. Isn't that just so startling? Why is this so, and which companies are these? Well, these companies are the pharma companies. Yes, Big Pharma is not just expensive, it is also super rich. Now, Big Pharma is the most profitable industry in the entire world today. Whichever country you go, it is the pharma industry that is ruling. Now, I can tell you one thing, that I cannot guarantee that you will never fall sick. But what I can guarantee you is that if you don't fall into the trap of pharma, if you don't fall into this constant vicious cycle of medication, hospitalization, and you walk on the naturopathy way, you will at least be sure that if at all you have fallen sick, you will know how to heal your body back again. And that is something that I can assure you with. So falling sick, not falling sick is sometimes in our control, sometimes is not in our control, but we will know how to heal ourselves and rejuvenate and return back or reverse certain diseases if we really genuinely walk on this path very seriously. Now let me just tell you that the best way to do this very, very quickly, very, very fast is, of course, we have a lot of, you have a lot of pathies. You have allopathy, you have naturopathy, you have homeopathy, and you have Unani, and you have so many other types of alternate medicines as well, or even Ayurveda for that fact. But amongst all of these alternate medicines, which are so-called alternate today, in my opinion, I have told you I always consider them as mainstream. So in these so-called alternate therapies, the first and the foremost thing that works for every single individual is the food, it's the nutrition, it's the diet. And that is the starting point and the ending point. And you can substitute a lot of other things along with it. You can have a yoga, you can have an exercise, you can have a breathing pattern, you can have so many other things. But the first and foremost thing that is required is your diet, your food, your nutrition. And that definitely has to be in place. And I can tell you that if we follow the naturopathy diet, I am telling you that we've not just seen this for a few hundreds of people. There is proven evidence about this. That if you start following the standard naturopathic diet, within 24 hours to 72 hours, which means within 3 days, you will start seeing significant differences when it comes to your blood pressure, when it starts coming to your cholesterol, when it comes to your sugar, even diabetes-like conditions, and a variety of other issues. In just 3 days, 72 hours, you will start seeing that between 1 week to 3 weeks, you will be able to see differences in your blood pressure. You will start seeing differences in your intestinal issues. Very, very significant progress that you will be able to find out. In just 1 month, you will be able to feel significant difference in your obesity levels, in your heart conditions. In about 2 months, you should be able to see significant difference in your thyroid. In about 6 months, you should be able to see significant difference that comes in arthritis, difference that comes in asthma, difference that comes in cancer. In about 8 months, you will be able to see significant difference in your skin, in your liver, in your heart. You will, even kidneys. In just about just 3 months, you will be able to see difference in your glaucoma, in your eye infections, in your cataract, in your myopia. In about 9 months to 1 year, you will of course start seeing a lot of difference on your skin, but you will also start seeing significant differences when it comes to your genetic issues, significant differences when it comes to heart valve related problems. And this is absolutely evidence related, evidence based. This is absolutely based on the testimonials of so many people, and I'm not bluffing it. But yes, it requires consistency, it requires discipline, and most importantly, it requires knowledge. So I will see you in the next video to figure out what is the diet, that really supplies the kind of nutrition to be able to heal all of these issues. What is that naturopathic diet? And I will come to you with that in the next video. Namaste.